To permanently delete Instagram account, you will need to log in into a browser, like Chrome. You can do it from your PC or your phone. Open Chrome, and then log into your Instagram account. After logging in, go to your profile, and click Edit Profile. Now, scroll down to bottom. And find, Temporarily Disable My Account. Click on it. Now, we want to delete it permanently. So, click on Address Bar. Then, replace temporary with permanent. And, hit Enter. Same goes on for phone user. Now, select a reason for deletion. And enter your password. After that, click on Delete button. Now, your account will be scheduled for deletion. Your account will be deleted exactly after 1 month. During this time, do not log in. If you logged in, it won't be deleted. And that's it.